waligonga mtu kwa barabara. Sasa walikuwa wanajaribu kutoroka, ndio nilikuwa nafuata hao na pikipiki hadi hapa. Sasa ndio vile nilikuwa karibu kuwafikia nikapata kama already watema wamekosa accident hapa tena. Yeah.
Okay.
Wamegonga mtu.
I want to go the fish, but I don't know the car is go. I just go my lane, and the other car just come here. We just have. I mean, we have. So I thought, but they have a problem, but I also have a problem. We also have a problem each other. Yes. And some person steal our bag and our passport. So I can find some who steal our bag.
Which is your
the bag, black bag.
Where is your car?
This one.
KDP.
But you have caused an accident.
This one. Yeah. So this one cannot drive. But, yeah, the back.
This boy, he has hit somebody with his car. Then he was trying to escape. That's why I was chasing him. And then he caused the accident here. Yeah.
Where did the accident imefanyikia?
Nyamwari first. He hit somebody with a car. So I was chasing him. Hey.
Kwa barabara hapa Luanda kwetu. Karibu hata tuue. Vile ameingia tu hivi. Hata mwenye baiskeli kuna mwenye baiskeli. Hawa. Yaani ni bahati tu na hawa.